Emily? Anybody home? Emily, is that you?
I wish I could be in school.
Raina. Good morning, Raina. Valerie. Morning, Valerie. Emily.
I wish I could say,
Emily?
yes, I'm here.
Emily has not been in school for a long time. Is she coming to school?
Emily.
Teacher Gladys tried to find out why
Emily?
I'm not there. She tried that day,
Hello?
the next, and the day after. It's nice to know someone cares that I'm not there.
Emily?
Mama, open the door.
Emily, is that you? It's Teacher Gladys. Is your mommy around?
If she didn't care, no one might ever know what happened to me.
Hi. Are you Mrs. Chu? I'm Emily's teacher. May I come in for a while?
My mama can't hear and talk.
Emily, is that your father?
My papa is sick. Doctor say got stroke. What's that? Can my papa get up again? Teacher Gladys never gave up.
Hurry, hurry. We're going to be late for school.
Yes, Teacher Gladys, I'm coming. Wait for me.
It's nice to be here.
Good morning, class.
To smile,
Shall we take attendance?
to play, to say,
Emily.
Yes, I'm here.